In this tutorial, we'll be learning how to create this abstract logo. Okay, but before we get started, I want to tell you this. Okay, so recently I uploaded a video on how to get premium images for free on free pick, but due to YouTube terms and conditions, so they removed the image. So for this reason, I'll not be uploading content like that. If you have a Telegram account, it will be linked in the description box. So first of all, I'll be coming to my main. Okay, let me use this. Let me just hide everything. So to create this kind of logo, it is called an abstract logo. So let me scale this way. So to get something like this, just come to your grid line. So you come to this, just check below here. This one is a magnet and this one is a grid setting. So when you enable this, so you come to this reset stuff like this. So then you give it horizontal of 15 and vertical of 15. Okay, so you click on OK. So now we have this. So you don't distort what you have here, you just disable this, and so you'll be able to know if you've exactly reached a particular line. So you need to enable this magnet. Let me explain what I mean right here. So let's say you are using a shape and you want to align something. So you can see this magnet is, once it touches the line, it will flag this red stuff. So we'll be using it in this video. So, and okay, let me explain something quickly again. So we are using black and white at first to create this kind of logo. So when you use your black color, okay, so because we are using white color as the background, you'll be using black color as the main thing you want to design. You get? Let me explain better. Let me continue right here. So we want to create something like this. We want to create a square shape right here. So come to your radius. I'm going to increase this radius to 0 to 100. So you click on OK. So you come to your shape again. Then you are going to do something like this. Okay, so we are using white to remove now because it will be blending with the background. So I'm increasing this one to a 0 again. So we are having a perfect circle like this. Okay, so let's continue. To remove this area right here, you just need to use the white. I hope you can see this. You can see, so it is removed this way. So it's not perfect. So come to your edits and you click on radius. Okay, so we have this right here. Okay, so you come to your shape again, just depending on your size. Okay, so now we have this. Then I'm going to change the color to black, but you can see right here that this is having this kind of something right here. So to adjust down, just come to this shape again, then you enable the grid line and just adjust like this, and it is fixed. Okay, we're still having some slight mistake here. Let's enable this, just adjust it a bit, and we are done. So it is fixed this way, but you can see right here that this thing is curved. This thing is curved. So let me show you how that is done. So we are going to select this one above. Is this one that I want to curve? So come to your mask tool right here and just adjust it like this. Let me show it's above this. Then enable your magnet tool. Then just check how I'm doing it right here. these handles, just check how they are moving. So you put a point right here and the other point right here. So then you make this ending of the handles, you make it touch here and the other one to touch here like this. This is the handle. No, I'm sorry, it's not the one I'm moving. So this is the handle. You are going to close this one and you make this one to touch this one. I hope you can see. So you are clicking on max out. This is the max mode. You are clicking on max out, so we click on OK. So now we have the effect already. So okay, so the next thing we are doing is this. Just do it this way. So let's disable this magnet. So we are going to adjust it like this, but it's not going to meet exactly like, okay, let me use this. So then you change this one to black. Do we have this? So we have this already. Then let's lock this layer right here. So to get this effect, this slanted this one that is slanted, to get it, you just come to your max tool, your bezier tool, I'm sorry, you come to your bezier tool. To understand the full guide on how to use the bezier tool, the video will be linked in the description box, so you can go and check it out. So just watch me as I do this. So you come here to add points. We only need 4 points. Okay, so this is the bezier mode. You use this one to add points. So the point is 1, 2, so this 3, and this is the 4th one. So this one is for adjusting points. Okay, this is it, and this is used for moving the entire shape you are designing. And so, and the action, you use this one to remove, use this one to close. This is when you get a shape, when you close the drawing you are doing. This is for scaling and this for rotating. So the full video is in the description box, so you can go and check it out. Okay, so let's come here to adjust. Okay, so let's start doing something. Don't want this video to be lengthy. So you come right here to, since it is closed, you just come right here to fill in color. So it is okay, it's not yet closed. Just come here to close it like this. So we have this, so you can now fill in color. So we are filling it as black. So we have this effect, but you can notice right here that this is showing, the edge is not smooth. So you just come to this one, this one. I hope you can see this one. This one we increase the radius. This is it. Let me enable this. So this is it. This one that will increase the radius. So you just come here and move it to the top. So let me adjust this. So now it is fixed. So it is now clean. So it's time to now give it a color. So you can see right, okay, let me merge this really quick. So we merging this So then you come to color, you'll be selecting the image, come to your color, and you are going to enable this. So you can't see it, just come to your background and you shine the background so that you'll be able to see what you are designing. So come to you are selecting the image, come to your color, it is erased, so you increase the tolerance to the, you can increase it to the extreme, or you can leave it like this. So you click on OK. So now we have this. So you can just do this to get a perfect shape. So it's no longer, so it's now a logo now. So what you just need to do is come to your, so let me change this to black, to white again. So now you come to select this image, then you come to your color right here, move to gradient. So this is the gradient I used. This is the gradient I used, but you'll be using black and white this time. So I'll be color picking this. So I'm selecting this white one right here. Then you come to color, click on color, then this eyedropper to above here. So just tap on it and I want to suck this color. So we have this. You click on OK. So the color code for this is 4097cc. So you click on OK. So the one above right here, so you click on the color, do the same thing, and we are going to suck this color. So you click on OK, but the color is inverted, so we are going to come to this button right here, then you flip the color arrangement. So once you click on OK, then you can start adjusting. Okay, so let's adjust it like this. Are we close? So we are getting something close. So it is closed already. So what we now need to do is to come to your 3D shape, enable this 3D shape. So instead of using perspective, you are using oblique. So decrease this to like 2. Okay, 2 is okay. So we are going to adjust the darkness, we darken it a bit. So then we are going to change the oblique angle to something like this. Yes, 260 is okay. So adjust the simulate lightning just to your taste. Okay, so I love it this way. So you can adjust all these settings. Okay, so you now have this logo. So then you can do the other things right here. So these are your text, so just add it to the design. So now we are done. So this is it exactly. So then you can now save your image as PNG. To just save as PNG, just come to, I'm sorry, so to save as PNG, let's discard this. So you just come right here and come to your transparency, then you click on save option. Make sure you are saving in high resolution. Okay, so this PNG, then you click on save to save it. So now we have it.